Welcome to My Dream Academy, Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. I am Vidyasagar, Maths faculty. Now we'll discuss some problems from trigonometry which you can solve in seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds maximum. See one problem. If sin theta 1 sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3, then he asked what is cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. This is your problem. See how we are going to do. Not by using the method, not by using any method, just by observing. Given sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 sin theta 3 is 3. 3 terms given 3. I can take each term is 1. This is 1, 1, 1. When you will get sin is 1, 90 degrees. That is theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 are equal to 90. Now substitute this in the cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. Cos 90 0, cos 90 0, cos 90 0. Therefore the answer is 0. Is it clear? Sin is number of sin terms is equal to n, then number of cos terms is 0. Okay. Now if sin theta plus cosecant theta is 2, then sin to the power of 2022 theta plus cosecant to the power of 2022 theta. By seeing the problem only you will get confusion. Why? Because sin power 2022 it is not possible. No, it is possible only by observing the given problem. Sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal. If sin is 1, cosecant is also 1. Therefore this is 2. Sin is 1 to the power of 2022 plus 1 to the power of 2022. 1 plus 1, this is also 2. Finished. Okay. Seconds. You can do the problem in seconds. Okay. Now see one more. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then what is cos theta minus sin theta? Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then what is cos theta minus sin theta? Actual method, given this cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. What is sin theta from this? Root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. If I take cos theta common, root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Multiply on both sides with its rationalizing factor. That is, multiply with root 2 plus 1 on both sides. This is root 2 plus 1, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square cos theta. This is root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, root 2 sin theta is equal to what? Cos theta minus sin theta. Very simple. Method is this. You won't get the idea in regular method. Cos theta plus sin theta is root 2 cos theta, then cos theta minus sin theta is, this is cos theta, therefore it will be sin theta. Remember, in the form of this. Okay. Now see one more. Two into sine to the power of 6x plus cos to the power of 6x minus 3 into sine power 4 plus cos power 4. Sine power 4x plus cos power 4x. See this problem. Sine power 4, cos power 4, sine power 6, cos power 6, you have to simplify. I will write here separately sine power 6x plus cos power 6x simplification. This is sine square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. You will get some confusion. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now therefore this will be sine square x, a is sine square, b is cos square. If I apply that formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, sine square x plus cos square x. Is it clear? Just I applied this power 6, I took sine square whole power 3, cos square whole power 3. A cube plus b cube formula. That formula here I applied. But we know that sine square x plus cos square x identity 1. This is 1 cube minus 3 sine square x cos square x into 1. Therefore, sine to the power of 6x plus cos to the power of 6x is equal to 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. Actually, you have to remember this as a shortcut formula. Similarly, sine to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x. This is sine square x whole square plus sine cos square whole square. Here I am using a square plus b square formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is a plus b whole square minus 2ab cos square x sin square x. This is 1 square is 1. These two I am using in the given problem. This is the method actually. I am using these two in the problem. See here, I am substituting these two terms in this. In the problem, if I write 2 into, what is this? 1 minus 3 sine square cos square. Here you can remember like this, 6 you will get 3, 4 you will get 2. Same, 1 sine square cos square same. If it is 4, 2 you will get. If it is 6, 3 you will get. Minus 3 into 1 minus 2 sine square cos square. Yes, after that only one step, which is simplification. Two into 1, 2 into 3, 6 sine square x cos square x minus 3 minus of minus plus 6 sine square cos square. These two cancel, 2 minus 3, which is your minus 1 is the answer. Yeah, by using this method, you have to remember a square plus b square formula and a cube plus b cube formula and simplifications and substituting in the problem. It is a complicated, it is lengthy. In the exam, you take this problem if given, and suppose if one more term is there, so 3 terms you have to do separately, so it will be lengthy. And important thing is you will do some mistakes in the simplifications. So I am using one simple method which is called substitution method in the trigonometry. I can use substitution method means I can substitute any angle for this. X can be any angle. Suppose if x is equal to 90 degrees. See, 1 second, 2 into, in your mind sine is 90. Sorry, x is 90. Sine 91, cos 90 0. 3 into sine 91, cos 90 0. 1 to the power of 4 is 1. 1 to the power of 6 is 1. Cos 90 0, cos 90 0. 2 into 1, 2 minus 3, answer is minus 1. Only this is the steps. Only one step you can do this problem. I'll take one more problem, which is sine 5, sine 10, sine 20, sine 15, and so on up to sine 360. Here some values we know, but all the values we don't know the sine. Sine of 10 we don't know, sine 15 we know, sine 5, sine 20, sine 25, these values we don't know. But here you can observe all the angles are given in the common difference, that is 5, 10, 15 like that, or 10, 20, 30 like this. Even in cos also, even in the tan also. If given like this, just you know basic trigonometry that sine is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. Sine positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. Sine is negative in third and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant positive values, third and fourth quadrant negative values, but all are given first quadrant to fourth quadrant, all values are there. So, and one more important, sine will be like this. Zero degrees, 180, this is 360. This is 90. This is 270. 0 to 90 positive. 90 to 180 positive. 180 to 270 third quadrant negative. These are negative values. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 like that, 90. Again this is 185. This is negative, this is positive, gets cancelled. All positive and negative terms gets cancelled. Answer is 0. Remember, from first quadrant to fourth quadrant, if given sine, cos, tan, whatever it may be, all gets cancelled. All gets cancelled. Answer you will get always 0. Suppose if they are in the form of square, you apply number of terms. Why? Because square cannot be cancelled. By number of terms by 2. How many terms are there here? 360 by 5. 72 terms are there total. So answer, if it is square, answer is 72 by 2, which is 36. In this way, you can remember sine and cos. It is given without square, answer is 0. With square, number of terms by 2. That is your answer. Okay. Now we'll do one more. Like this, we can do so many problems in seconds. Out of 50 questions in ESET, minimum 25 to 30 questions we can solve in seconds only. We can give the answer within seconds.